rocking with your girl Rain G right now. As you see, I'm out here in this lovely weather, you know, gonna knock out 5 miles. So once I knock out them 5 fast miles, then you know how that's gonna go down. So your girl gonna pick up the squats, do about 50 of them and 60 crunches. So I'm on my way to Sexy Body Lane. Check your girl out. Hey, don't forget, go like that Team Rain G page, Rain G fan page, and Rain G photograph. You know how we do it, rainstorms, baby.
It is what it is, motherfuckers. You know it is. Rain G. Yeah, you think it's your world? Think again, motherfucker. You just into Rain's world. Mixtape live. Higher than the motherfucker. Flyer than the bird. You bitches talking lies. Y'all ain't saying the words. Groupies on the dick. They must wanna kiss her.